Hello, today we'll learn how to create the script using the recorder functionality that is available with Jmeter itself. So what I'm going to do today is going to show you how do you record your scripts using Jmeter and then execute the same for checking the response times. So what we do is first go to test plan, right click on it, say add, select threads and then thread group. Go again to test plan, right click, add, say non-test elements and add HTTPS test script recorder. Under thread groups, right click, add, say logic controllers and then say recording controller. So you have the recording controller under thread groups. This will be used for capturing all your requests. Next, inside test script recorder, make sure the port number that you use, you have to specify the same port in your browser where you are going to record it. Second setup that you have to do in the script recorder is request filtering. Here the recommended setting that needs to be done is go to URL patterns to exclude and then add the suggested excludes. This will make sure the image loads are not captured as a request, and just by making sure that your script looks clean when you execute and report back. You will have limited number of pages which are captured, which will exclude these regular expressions or these pages which are just for capturing your image load time. The next is go to your browser where you want to record stuff and then go to, in my case it is Internet Options, Internet Explorer. I go into the Internet Options in Internet Explorer, go into Connection, LAN Settings and make sure the port which you have specified there is the same port that you are using here, and unselect any other checkboxes that are selected. Say OK. Say OK. Now go back and then you can start recording. Just say OK and you are good to go. Here let me invoke okay. This issue is because I have not installed the Jmeter certificate yet. Post this, I am going to show you how to install the Jmeter certificate so you do not run into this issue. For now, I'm just going ahead with accepting this exception, and then I just do any search. I'm just searching for the word hello. Okay, now I stop it. Okay, let's go back to the Jmeter. So you see here all your requests have been captured. Post this, if you want to execute, you can just go to the thread group, add, and then say listener, and then say view result tree. This will give you request response of the captured requests. Okay. Fine. So now I go here, I try to execute it, and then I see the result tree. It has executed Okay, now in this results you can see the request and then the response. Okay, so you can see all the requests and the responses. All of them have passed. So in case you want to see the response time, right click, add, say listener, and then say summary report, and then run it again. So here you see which page load is taking how much time. That's it for today. We'll learn next concepts in next video.